Hi, my name is Frank Burtmills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods with the SW Series waffle oven, and we're using the BD model, which is the double waffle oven. Today we're going to make a very simple Apple Cheese Crisp Waffle on the waffle baker. I've already pre-made the waffle mix. You can use just about anything you'd like. I'm using Bisquick. It's 2 cups of Bisquick, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of apple cider, and a touch of oil, about a tablespoon. And it's just beaten up very simply, and it's ready to go. And to that, we're going to put in on the waffle surface about a 1/4 cup of an oatmeal, and then we're going to put the waffle on top and then close the door. To build this is very simple. We have about a 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar, and we're going to take about 2/3 of a cup of waffle mix, and we're going to pour it directly on top of the cheese. And we're going to mix that up with, this is a Fuji apple, and this is about 1/2 an apple. So we'll just drop this right in on top. And we chose Fuji because it's a drier apple and it will do very well in a waffle. And all we're going to do is mix this up very simply. You can add cinnamon to this if you want to get creative, nutmeg, whatever you'd like. And that's basically it. Now we'll go to the waffle unit, and we're going to put the oats on the surface, and then we'll pour this batter on. Before we ever put the waffle on, we want to make sure we spray the surfaces with a non-stick. Now we're going to take the 1/4 cup of oats, and we're actually going to pour it directly onto the waffle surface, and we're going to spread it out just a little bit so it's nice and even. And now we're going to take the batter directly on top and try to center it as much as possible. We'll flatten that out over the surface just a little bit. And that's it. And now we're going to drop the cover and start the timer. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So, it's now finished, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now we'll lift this off. It's a little hot. There we go. Okay, this is going to be served with a dunking sauce, so I'm going to cut it in strips. It's nice little strips. Again, I wish you could be here to hear it and smell the great apple smell coming off of this waffle. It is gorgeous. So there's your dunking waffle. Apple, cheddar, touch of cinnamon, beautiful. The sauce for this is a very simple 1/4 cup of maple syrup and about 2 ounces of melted butter. And you'll notice there's walnuts on the plate too. It's great to dunk and place a walnut. What a wonderful flavor. Enjoy.